How to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. So first thing that you need to check is that you have your airplane mode turned off and make sure that your cellular data is on, that this icon is color green. Now, if for some reason this is not working, what you can do is restart your iPhone. Just click the volume up and the power button at the same time. This will fully boot your phone and your data will probably work. Now, if this still didn't work, just go to settings, press on general, go to software update, and make sure that your software is up to date. Having a super outdated software might bring you a lot of issue, so just go and update your software. This should solve your data issue, but if it still doesn't work, go and remove your SIM on the side of your phone and then insert it again just to restart it. So that is the ways to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.